Do you hear that? I remember that sound. That is the sound that used to make me go and ask my parents for money, run outside, pray that the ice cream man hadn't passed your block yet, and the entire time in my mind, I knew what I wanted, orange creamsicle. And today, my friends, that is what we're going to make. Because we'll be adding orange juice, which is 90% water, we need to make an adjustment to our base by using 1 3/4 cups of heavy cream, which will increase the fat content and will help keep this ice cream deliciously creamy. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of half and half. We'll be using 2/3 cup of our favorite Allulose blend. All of the products that we used are linked in the description below. I have created a sweetener guide that you can download free from our website by using the QR code that is on the screen. We have 2 tablespoons of non-fat milk powder, a pinch of sea salt, I would say about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And the star of the show, the rind of 2 oranges. The next step of the process is to allow the orange rind oils to seep into this base. The longer that you can let it sit in your fridge, the longer that infusion is going to be and the more orange flavor we're going to be able to pull out of it. Once you're ready to move on with your recipe, we're going to strain the orange rind out of the base. All right, we're going to put this back in the blender. You'll need 1/2 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice, 2 tablespoons of vodka, a tablespoon vanilla extract, and while completely optional, if you happen to have pure orange extract, this will enhance the flavor. I'm adding 1/2 a teaspoon. Less is more when it comes to extracts. A rule of thumb when you are creating a recipe is to taste it first before you continue. This way, we still have the opportunity to adjust the sweetness and also tweak any of our flavors. In this case, if it's not orangey enough, I can add a little extra orange or orange extract. Oh my gosh, almost identical. That is amazing.
Oh, wow. It is orange creamsicle.
It is orange creamsicle.
100% all the way. Yum.
We're going to cool this down for a little bit while we set up the churner.
Perfect.
All right.
You've heard that. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Well, this is our scream machine. It looks like it's ready. I'll let you have the first taste. What do you think?
Delicious. Oh, wow, yeah,
The
that's
texture?
really good.
The texture is beautiful.
That is really good.
Creamsicle.
Yep, creamsicle.
Childhood creamsicle, except it's not in a lollipop form.
That's all right.
But that's okay. This is the adult version.
It's even better.
If you enjoyed going down memory lane with us, drop a note in the comments and let us know what your favorite flavor was.